Naku, perlimib antay.
Mga commercial spaces over here. Pwede sa Pag-asa Island. Maganda ako meron sa Pag-asa Island.
Comment dito sa Maynila. So I would just like to give this opportunity to Professor De Castro for his comments.
Yan yung nakikita talaga natin, yung agresibo and of course, kumbaga very offensive Gulf warrior diplomacy na nakikita natin recently no, sa action ng bagong Chinese ambassador. Na,
Using art is actually, I'd say it's probably one of the best propagandas because it has changed the course of human history many times.